Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make cards for Anki using the Marrow Qbank or any Qbank really. So first of all, let's get started. I'll open Anki here. So you can see that my Anking XFMD deck is here, and let's say we want to add cards to the Marrow GT subdeck. So first we'll just open it and click add. Now you can see the different type of cards here. The deck is here, and now we'll open Marrow Qbank. Go to the dashboard. And let's say I want to make a card out of a PYQ, like let's say this one. Okay, now I'll put just you can see the window, and you can see that I've enabled the extension with Tamper Monkey. The force select extension allows you to select text on any page that has selection disabled, like Marrow has selection disabled because they don't want you to copy the text. But like I'll show you right now. So let's say I want to make a card out of this particular sentence. So just I'll select it and then copy and paste here just by dragging it. You can't control plus C and control plus V there because it will just show up as, let me show you. It will just show up as this control plus C, and here I'll press control plus V. It shows up as please do not copy text. So you can't do that. You just have to drag it into the text field. Now, let's say I want to make a card out of this sentence. I'll just use a close deletion type card. So selecting this text and making a close out of it. Pretty simple, right? Now I want to add an image from the Qbank question. I'll just take a screenshot like this and control plus V. That's it. Now you guys can easily review this card. Let me show you how it looks. Now let me search for the card, and here it is. Let me just preview it. An aneurysm of the anterior communicating artery is most likely to be causing damage to the optic chiasma. That's it. Pretty simple, right?